Hello, young explorers. Have you ever wondered why some days are sunny and others are rainy? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of weather and learning how to become junior meteorologists. Weather is all around us and changes every day. Let's explore the different types of weather you might encounter. On sunny days, the sun shines brightly, making it perfect for playing outside. Cloudy days have lots of clouds covering the sky, sometimes making it look grey. Rainy days bring water from the sky, which helps plants grow. Snowy days are cold and cover the ground with white, fluffy snow. Windy days have strong breezes that can move leaves and help kites soar. Did you know you can be a weather watcher right at home? Here's how you can observe and record the weather like a real meteorologist. Use a thermometer to check how warm or cold it is outside. Look up and see what kinds of clouds are in the sky. Are they fluffy like cotton or thin and wispy? Create a wind vane to see which direction the wind is blowing from. Measure how much it rains by collecting water in a container and checking the depth. Now that you're observing the weather, keep track of your findings in a weather journal. Draw pictures or write notes about what the weather is like each day. Over time, you'll notice patterns. Now that you've been tracking the weather in your journal for 10 days, guess what? Start with a piece of paper or print out a simple graph. On the bottom, write the days. Day 1, Day 2, all the way to Day 10. You can graph the temperature, rainfall, or even how many days were sunny, cloudy, or rainy. Make each weather type a different color, yellow for sunny, blue for rainy, and gray for cloudy. Count how many times each weather type happened in your journal. And color in the bars. You just made a weather graph. Now you can see which weather happened most. Pretty cool, right? By turning your observations into graphs, you can spot weather patterns even faster. Maybe getting warmer each day, or maybe rain always comes after cloudy skies. Amazing work, junior meteorologists. Keep observing, journaling, and graphing your weather. You're becoming science pros in your own backyard. And remember, always check the weather before heading out.